Now that we've got it so we can start and stop the timer and that we know we will never have multiple timers, let's see how it interacts with our other buttons. So if we've got a timer running and it's going through this slideshow one after another and the user starts adding values up here and we click show me, that's a 3. Oh, it went to the 3, so let me click it again. It went to the 3 and then it just started doing the slideshow again. And so this doesn't quite work. When we click on what happened when we build a cone, it gives us the message, it showed us the image, but then it just kept going with the slideshow. So let's think about what we want to have happen. When we choose show me or build a cone, we change the image and we want that image to say. So let's go ahead and at that point stop the interval timer as well. And that's right here in this set image function is when we're going to choose to set the image to something different. So before we do that, let's go ahead and just clear the interval timer, and that way when we set the image, it'll be where we want it to be. Let's do another thing that we can do is, so we get this set, and now when we refresh, so let's end the show. Let's start a show. Put values in here. And click show me. It doesn't do anything. I forgot to save it. Do you ever do that? Forget to save it? Let me try again. So I refresh. I put values in. And click, well, let's get the show going first. So the show's going, I click show me, it goes to 5, it adds them up, goes to 5, shows that image, stops the slideshow. What about if we have a slideshow going and we say build a cone? It does the message, it stops the show, and it displays the image that we want. All right, we start the show again. Okay, did you see how that happened? It was at 5 cones. We started the show. It started back over at 0. So another thing that we can do to make this a little bit nicer is we can also set the index to start where it left off. So right here is where that image is set, right? And it sets it here to total scoop. So we can, at this point, it's going to stop the slideshow, and we can reset the index to this total scoops value, and that way the next time it starts the show it will start there. In this case it's 0, so we can just say that the index equals 0 because that's the image that's going to show there. That's also the image that's going to show up here, and then we reset that index there. So now it's going to reset with those images. It will reset the index, so if they start the show it'll happen. So let's try that. So refresh and start a show, and we get it moving along. There we go. We click show me and it's a 0 and it gets it on there. Now when we do show all, it starts again from the beginning. So it really matches. Let's go ahead and add some. Do show me, it shows me 2 and starts the images. Now we do show all. It starts right from the 2 and goes to 3. So now we have a timer working using an array to move through images.